Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to for the first time. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of this month's Boxycharm, so let's just jump right into that. So it comes with this boho glow, cute little paper with all of the items and their prices and what they are, etc. So first we have these Pur Sponges. I'm really excited about these. Always use some more sponges. It came with this strawberry banana smoothing yogurt shampoo. Let me try that out. It has this Allegroy Story Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Platos Cave. Do a little swatch of that. It's a pretty brown color. Alright, and we also have this Ofra highlighter, which I am super excited about. It looks like the highlighter isn't in very well, so I'm trying to open this very nicely. Yikes. Yeah. It's like out of the bottom. It's not pressed into the pan. Super messy all over. But yeah, still a really pretty color. I'm going to be real careful with it so it doesn't fall out because it is not in there. But yeah. Now I'm just going to swatch this over highlighter. Right here. Super pretty. Hard to see in this lighting. Let's put a little bit more on there just so you can really see the color. It's like a soft gold. Super pretty. And then we have this Concealer Collection 16 Color Pro Concealer Palette by Measurable Difference. Right. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So yes. Alright, so I am also going to be doing a tutorial on all of these products, which is going to be coming right after this, so just keep on watching. But I had already went ahead and did my eyes for this look because this month's box didn't come with anything for the eyes, so we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the products that we just got in this box. Also, if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on this eye look right here, just leave a comment below and we can make that happen. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to start out with my Promise Organic Nourishing Coconut Milk Facial Lotion. Let's put that all over. So I went ahead and wet all three of the Pur Sponges, and I'm going to start off with the green one, and I'm going to use this one to correct my face. I'm going to go ahead and use the green and the purple shades. Go ahead and blend that out. So instead of the purple, I decided I'm going to go in with this pecan shade, which is like an orange shade right here, and use that to cover my dark circles instead. And my circles aren't too dark, so I'm not going to need a whole bunch of that. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundations and doing Smooth and Matte and Poreless, both in 110 Porcelain. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with the same yellow sponge. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with my CoverGirl translucent powder. Now I'm going to go back in with that lemon meringue shade and I'm just going to conceal the rest of my face. Alright, now I'm going to take this milk chocolate shade right here. And now I am going to take that yellow sponge once again. Now I'm just going to take my CoverGirl translucent powder and I'm just going to bake my face with that. Now I'm just going to moisturize my lips. Add some of the lip plumper. So now I'm just going to apply the Allegroy Story lip gloss. Okay, now that I've finished the lips, I'm just going to use a little bit more of my Quick Fix spray, and I'm going to spray that onto my highlighter brush, and I'm going to take the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.